Okay, so this is Mrs. Gone in 60's two-door cyber orange Outer Banks, and so far we just have the wheels and tires done. She will be receiving the ceramic tint most likely next week. Cleaned it up pretty good. You can see now that the sun's out. I did have the hardtop clear coated in a dark metallic gray. I believe this is either a Toyota or a Lexus color, but it came out really nice. And if you can see my four-door over here, I've done a little bit more to it. Wheels and tires, I do have the ceramic tint. I do have the windshield tinted. I did have the top is painted black clear coat gloss, and it's a huge difference between you know, when you see it with the regular molded in color. So it also has the full front end paint protection film on there. That's going to be the hood, the fenders, the fender flares, and the actual the actual side windows, which is I'm sorry, the side mirrors, the skull caps right here also received that paint protection film. I believe Mrs. Gone in 60, I'm going to go ahead and do the hood on that also, just to protect it from these rock chips. This one also has on the inside, it does have, you know, a couple of accents that I did to it. A good thing that I did to it is, as you can tell, that's a screen protector on the 12-inch screen. It keeps the glare from the sun out when you have the tops off, but also, you know, protects you from these fingerprints. And yeah, you can tell it's lived in. Also, I did do the Red Line Racing hood struts on this one. I won't open it up, but it was a real easy install. It's, you know, the instructions were very well done. Now this one does have the this is the Weld off-road Redondo wheels. It's going to be a 20x9, and the Cooper Discover XLTs are the tires, and they're 275 55/20. Okay, on this one, I believe this is a newer tire that came out. So the wheels are Granada 6, and they're 20x9 also. But these Cooper tires are Rugged Trek, and I believe this is a new one. It was just a little bit cheaper than the XLTs that I found. And the only complaint I've heard about them is that if you live down a gravel road, that it will pick up some rocks and throw. But you know, we don't live on a gravel road yet. So other than that, they're very quiet. So are the XLTs. I've heard nothing but great reviews about on-road performance, off-road performance, and you know, like I said, they're very quiet on the highway. So very pleased with that. You guys let me know what you think about both Broncos. I believe Mrs. Gone in 60's Bronco is going to receive a small 2-inch lift. I haven't decided yet on my Bronco. I do have a MBRP 3-inch catback exhaust system on it. We'll be hearing more on that. There's a video coming up on that. And there is something under the hood that gives it a little bit more horsepower, and there'll be a video on that coming soon. All right, so there you have it. These are both of our daily drivers. This is Miss Gone in 60's daily driver. This is my daily driver. Let me know if you have a Bronco, what you know, upgrades have you done? Are you planning on doing? And just let me know what you think about both Broncos. We love them so much that we each got one. Had to do it twice. Also, there's a video coming up where we took the 4-door out to Broncbusters, Texas Broncbusters event, and I did damage it a little bit. So there's a video coming up on that. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you soon.